So humans aren't special, we're just part of the actor network, this unstable, diverse collection of human, non-human, and hybrid actors all taking part in a set of activities over a given period of time. I'm going to approach this by summarizing the article Mixing Humans and Non-Humans Together, The Sociology of a Door Closer by Bruno Latour. Walls are a nice invention, but if there were no holes in them, there would be no way to get in or out. They would be mausoleums or tombs. Kind of a funny observation. Walls were a great start, but without holes in them, they would be tombs, so we put holes in walls. But if there were just holes in walls, anything could get in or out of them, and it would kind of defeat the purpose of having the wall in the first place. So that's why we have the engineering miracle of doors. But what if people don't close the doors when they're supposed to? Or what if they slam them? Well, we could pay a human to be in charge of the socially acceptable use of the door. It's more efficient to have a non-human do it. From this, we get the hydraulic door closer, which, according to actor network theory, is just as much a part of what's happening in, say, a classroom as the professor is, or the students are, or the Wi-Fi is. We're all just actors in the network. The door closer disciplines us. It dictates how much time you can spend in the door frame, and the fact that it stops the door from slamming kind of sets the tone for a quiet and polite environment. What tends to happen with networks we rely on the most is what's called consolidation. All those things in the network start to look like one single actor. For example, we talk about the government as if it's all one thing. But even if we separate out one specific government, what's it made up of? It's made up of departments, policies, offices, workers, desks, chairs, internet connections, and I guess door closers. So what's the point of all this? It can't be reduced to one point, but I think it's a useful idea in demystifying things, like the idea that humans are more important than anything else, and that nature exists only for us to exploit it, or that the actions of individual geniuses and heroes working completely on their own are what drives social and technological change. Now, I know somebody had to come up with the idea and make the thing happen, but they all did so as part of a network with the help of other human and non-human actors.